Welcome to Artistic Documentation. I hope you will stay till the end. Chatbots and real-time customer support. Travel planning involves questions, concerns, and last-minute decisions. Real-time support enhances customer experience. Chatbots can assist with common queries like pricing, availability, policies, and itinerary suggestions. Live chat allows human agents to handle personalized inquiries. Support tools reduce abandonment rates by resolving issues promptly. They also build confidence in users who might hesitate to book without clarification. Email capture, lead generation, and newsletter systems. A tourism website should include tools to capture visitor emails for future marketing. Lead magnets may include downloadable travel guides, exclusive discounts, early bird offers, weekly travel stories. Once captured, leads are nurtured through automated email campaigns offering promotions, helpful planning tips, and personalized recommendations. Email marketing keeps the brand top of mind and boosts long-term conversions. CRM integration helps manage customer data and personalize communication. Personalization based on user behavior. Personalization tools analyze user behavior, demographics, and preferences to display tailored content. This may include recommended tours based on browsing history, geo-targeted offers, personalized itineraries, previously viewed items, special deals for returning visitors. Personalization reduces decision fatigue and increases relevance, making users feel understood and valued. Tourism businesses benefit from higher booking rates when their website adapts to each visitor's interests. Strong call-to-action placement. Clear CTAs guide visitors toward desired actions, such as booking a tour, signing up for a newsletter, or contacting support. Effective CTAs are strategically placed and visually distinct. Examples include Book Now, View Packages, Check Availability, Contact Us. Well-designed CTAs improve usability. Safe user data management and privacy practices. Tourism websites must comply with data protection regulations like GDPR or local privacy laws. Transparent privacy policies, secure data storage, cookie consent tools, and encryption maintain user trust. Trust badges help reassure customers during the booking and payment processes. Ethical data practices protect both the business and its clients from potential security breaches. Analytics and performance tracking systems. Analytics tools such as Google Analytics or heat maps provide insights into user behavior, page performance, conversion paths, and traffic sources. These insights help improve SEO strategy, content optimization, booking funnel performance, user experience design, marketing campaign effectiveness. Data-driven decisions ensure continuous refinement and better results over time. Tourism websites that analyze performance consistently remain competitive and relevant. Social proof through certifications, partnerships, and awards. Badges from tourism boards, certifications from travel associations, and partnership logos enhance credibility. Awards signal high-quality service. Trust badges act as reassurance, especially for travelers unfamiliar with the brand. Displaying affiliations with reputable organizations builds reliability and influences booking decisions. Accessible website features for all users. Tourism websites must be inclusive, offering features that support users with disabilities. Accessibility includes alt text for images, proper heading structure, adjustable text sizes, color contrast compliance, keyboard navigation, audio descriptions, screen reader compatibility. Accessible design broadens the audience reach and demonstrates social responsibility. It also improves SEO since accessibility features often align with search engine criteria. Thanks for watching this. I hope you would like to join our private community.